Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing? I'm blessed. You're blessed. Today we're making Ardo bread. Yep. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I already measured out 5 cups of flour and I am just about to add it to my stand mixer. Guys, I really and truly love this stand mixer, but there's one con to this stand mixer. This top part does not go back. Can't wait the day to get one that it lifts. In a 1/3 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons yeast, my little whisk, give it, make sure I mix all that dry ingredients. This is 1 1/3 cup warm water. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. I'll add a teaspoon salt. Give that a mix and I'll add that right into the flour. First I'll add a cup. 1 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. I just had 2 tablespoons. If I hear they said, don't do what I do, just do what I say. Add the remainder of my warm water. Good. Now I have a 1/3 cup softened butter, which I'll add to my dough. Okay guys, give this a little grease because this is what I'm gonna put my dough in for it to rise. Cover this with some beautiful dough. Nice, soft. Butter to the top. Cover and leave to double in size. So guys, as I was saying, this is a beautiful stand mixer. Only con is the neck does not go backwards. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can find a stand mixer with the neck that goes flip back. Excellent to make dough if you don't want to use your hand to mix your dough, which really sometimes wear and tear your arm, your wrist. This is a helping hand. No guys, I'm not sponsored by KitchenAid as yet, but I do get a commission from the link below. I'm just here to help out a brother or a sister instead of kneading that dough with your hand and damaging your wrist. This is a much easier way to mix your dough and to mix your cake batter. So go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think. KitchenAid stand mixer comes in beautiful colors and I know you will find one to match your beautiful kitchen. So check it out. Okay guys, double in size. Look at that. I have to dump it out. Wow. Press out all the air. Remove all the air. And I want to cut this bread in half because I'll be baking 2 loaves. leave you to rise again. This one now. I'll just burst these little bubbles. Top. This one's already starting to rise. Wow. And I'll leave this rise, a double rise, maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Time for the oven. Right in the middle rack. I'll set a timer for 25 minutes. This bad boy was giving me trouble. Look at it. Looks like it went to World War I, II, and III. Hopefully it comes out good. Leave it to rise for a bit more, about 10 to 15 minutes more before I put it in the oven. Get out one of my bread. Hey guys, while he's hot, I'll just butter him like that. Let that butter melt right in. Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. So I'll leave it in the pan for 10 minutes or so before I take it out to cool. There he is. The two bad boys. This one is better than this one. A very soft bread. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. Really delicious bread. Tasty and delicious. Very soft and delicious bread. So from my amazing house to yours, one love. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Nettie's Amazing House.